Laskovo Pozmo. Hi and welcome to everybody. If you are new to my videos, particularly my new friends in Kiev, welcome. And I'm just going to give you a very short video today because we are so close to the main moves in the year. There's not much point in getting any commitment to any trade. So I'm just going to run through a couple of trades I've done today, look at what I'm seeing for the Euro session tomorrow, and then leave it at that. In the meantime, for those of you who have won a place on my Forex Momentum course, details will come across to you on the email over the next few days, so please watch out for that. Be patient. I will send them through quickly. But in the meantime, thanks very much for joining me. I'm glad you're on the mailing list. Do send this link out to other people. Get other people to sign up on my blog page. I'll send you the link at the end. And also, I appreciate it if you liked my Facebook page. And in the meantime, well, let's get straight to the videos. Thanks for joining me. Okay, first off, let's look at the indices, and this is the Dow on the daily charts, nice new naked charts, and today we've just run into some resistance. So we had a couple of days of selling last week, so we ran up into this resistance level last week, we pulled back, and I did warn you on the weekend that we may see this Dow pop up, because every time so far we keep selling, we just find some support and then push back up. So we're in this channel basically. So we've got the potential to pop back into a little bit higher before we may see that pulling off. But I'm not, like I said, I'm not expecting much for the end of the year. But I do think with a move like this that we could see, I think we could see a move back into 500, 600, and then we need to see if we can hold. Let's have a look at the DAX. The DAX was very bearish into the Euro session. As we came out of the Euro session, we started to see some buyers come in, and then as the US session got underway, we recovered. So we're in no man's land really. I don't think. Excuse me. It's just a lot of chop, so I would stay off of that. Let's have a look at the Euro, because I did trade the Euro today. I'm basically looking for the Euro. The question is this Euro going to carry on? Is it going to hold? Or are we going to see this just roll over? A lot of people looking for parity down here at this fib level. Well, we've got no sell signals at the moment. We have a cluster of moving averages underneath us. So all the time we are holding up here. I think we can go further. But this is a potential head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So this will be the neckline. There's a question of what we do here. Yeah, if we keep closing higher, then we could reach this fib level. But if we drop below here, then I think we will start to march down. But like I said, not a lot going to happen. Probably not a lot going to happen before Christmas. So be cool about it. This is the 5-minute chart. This is why I traded the Euro on the short side. In the trading room today, I said I thought we were seeing dollar strength and we would see more dollar strength. This was the open range today. Talked a lot about the open range in Kiev. And there we are. So we had this pattern into the Euro session, and then we gathered momentum, but finally found resistance. So I shorted up here because this was a key fib level. If you look at this in a 15-minute chart, we had a reversal signal in a 15-minute chart up here. I think it must have been a 60-minute, yeah, 60-minute chart had the fib level. Look at that resistance, absolutely clean. That's a big fire line, a big resistance level that was nice and shortable. So any more retests of 80, and if we get another retest of 80, that's a good place to get to sell. And see if that can, so if that can come back up and then start to short. Oops, sorry about this. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on the Euro. Now if you look at the fibs on the Euro, okay, it's just a key resistance level then. I thought I had a fib level up there, but I don't. Right, other charts. Let's look at the pound, because the pound got really beaten up today. See that resistance there? Took a long time to get going. And we had that seller's bar. There's the seller's bar there. And a retest of this level, and then we rolled over. So next level is 14760. So if we get a pullback into, say, 14850, ideally a pullback right up there, then we might get the next leg down to here. Okay. Let's, if you look at the daily chart, this is the daily, we are really struggling. So we look as if we could come down to at least 14750. And that's all I've got for you really. Pound yen obviously weak as well. That looks as if that wants to come all the way down to 175. Okay, gold, I said in the room that gold would come down. Gold is struggling. So I've got my gold fibs on that. So we look as if we could see 950, 970 next year. So I'm looking for that just to roll over. That's the reversal bar. It's not very clear, but I'm looking for a reversal bar. So that means that could mean that the Aussie US dollar could roll over. So I'm looking for this level of resistance to pull that right down, into these levels and potentially fall hard. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. So do pobłądź and goodbye in English, and see you at the next update.